auto configuration for JDBC metadata, auto configuration for Jersey, auto configuration for JMS, auto configuration for ActiveMQ, auto configuration for Artemis, auto configuration for JMX, auto configuration for JOQ, auto configuration for JSON-B, auto configuration for Apache Kafka, auto configuration for LDAP, auto configuration for embedded LDAP, auto configuration for Liquibase, auto configuration for logging, auto configuration for email support, auto configuration for MongoDB, auto configuration for Mustache, auto configuration for Neo4j, auto configuration for the Netty library, auto configuration for JPA and Spring ORM, auto configuration for Quartz scheduler, auto configuration for AutoDBC, auto configuration for Reactor Netty, auto configuration for RSocket, auto configuration for Spring Security, support for Spring Security OAuth 2 client, auto configuration for Spring Security reactive OAuth 2 client, auto configuration for Spring Security OAuth 2 client, support for Spring Security OAuth 2 resource server, auto configuration for Spring Security reactive OAuth 2 resource server, auto configuration for Spring Security OAuth 2 resource server, auto configuration for Spring Security's OAuth 2 authorization server, auto configuration for reactive Spring Security, auto configuration for RSocket support in Spring Security, auto configuration for Spring Security's SAML 2.0, auto configuration for servlet-based Spring Security, auto configuration for SendGrid, support for service connections that affect auto configuration for Spring Session, auto configuration for basic script-based initialization of an SQL database, auto configuration for SSL bundles, auto configuration for test execution and scheduling, base classes for template auto configuration for Timelift, auto configuration for transaction support, auto configuration for JTA, auto configuration for JSR-303 validation, auto configuration for common web concerns, auto configuration for web client, configuration for embedded reactive and servlet web servers, support classes for web-specific formatting.